the restoration of both American exceptionalism and godly exceptionalism. The Lord God Almighty to the mighty nation of American exceptionalism. America has been known in the past for the concept and precept of American exceptionalism. But tainted has this concept and precept been in recent years by those within America especially. However, O America, fear not, for your Lord God has heard the mocking and cursing of America by some within, and all those without who are jealous of or who hate America. Now shall I begin to restore not just American exceptionalism unto my nation of America, but what it truly is, and that is godly exceptionalism. End of message. Thusly says the Almighty Lord God, as spoken and written this day, date, and time of Tuesday the 16th of June 2015 at 1:22 a.m. American Eastern Daylight Time, Tampa Bay, Florida, the United States of America, the place where my godly name is engraved. Published for Saturday the 12th of December 2015.